Hello everyone, welcome to Ganny Jo Crochets. I'm Ganny Jo, also known as Johanna or Jo or Joanne. I hope that this video finds everyone doing well and not just for those who need prayer, but for everyone. I'm saying prayers for everyone, for good health, good love, everything good. We all have our downs, and Lord knows I've had mine. Anyhow, I am here to share a long time coming purchase that I got from Krystal, the Yarny Chicken Cat Lady, her last sale. I went hog wild, so stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to share what I got from her. I did open it last Thursday on my live show. So I did break the seal on it then. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all out here and lay it in front of me so I can, because there's a lot of them that are twos, and I think I have 2 or 3 that are just ones. There. Yeah. I have 3 sets of twos and 2 of the singles. I'm going to show you the one that I jumped at first, and that was that gorgeous, gorgeous burgundy. Isn't that pretty, pretty, pretty? Oh, oh, oh. This one is the merino. It is a number 4 Aran medium single roving, and it's called burgundy. And she has her little labels that she makes up on them with all the info. And that is gorgeous. I love that color. That's my next, it's, to me, in person, it's more of that color that's a burgundy purple, kinda. That really, that's the color purple that I like. It's not as purple. The way I'm looking at it with these bifocals, it's pretty, pretty, pretty burgundy purple to me. Anyhow, so much for that. This next one is very pretty. I like it when the colors run together like this. This one is, look how pretty those colors. I'm trying to get it to the camera. I can't tell if it's blurred or not because my bifocals aren't focusing. Merino and bamboo. It is a number 3 DK weight single roving. Apologies for the tremors. Twinkle Twinkle is what she calls it. Lexi's in the other room. I just got her settled down. She's voicing her opinion. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And each one of these, this has, I didn't tell you the other one. This one has 94 yards, and this is 84 yards. Okay? Very pretty. My favorite. This one has 68 yards, and this other one has 74. So 68 and 74. Then I have the next 2 matching ones. Oops. Are this pretty striped one. I don't know. I see this color, and there's a college color, I believe. Oh, it's just like on the edge of my brain. Anyhow, this one is merino, and it's a number 3 DK light single roving. This one has 78 yards. This one has 84 yards. And this is called Elderberry and Buttercup. Elderberry and Buttercup. Very pretty colors together. Very, very pretty. Now Gunther wants to voice his opinion. Almost done. This one is one of my singles. This one, whoops, fumble, fumble. There's 140 yards of merino in this one. And it is a 2-weight sport, number 2 sport fine single roving. Damask, D-A-M-A-S-K, damask, okay. And light apricot. Damask and light apricot. Very, very pretty. And the last and the prettiest. Not, they're all beautiful, but because it's got sparkle. Look at those colors. That is so, so pretty. I'm trying to stop my hand, honey. Stop your hand. Look at those colors. I like this one. Hey, that would go good with the burgundy. This one is merino as well, 156 yards. Number 2 fine single roving. Over the rainbow, she calls it. Lexi has something on her TV that she's not liking, so I have to go change the channel. And that is the sparkle. That is it for my purchase. I am going to surprise someone with a giveaway. I am going to gift away these two. These two, it's 78 yards and 84 yards of beautiful hand-spun yarn from Krystal, the Yarny Chicken Cat Lady. I am going to gift this away. Leave a comment below. Something to do with chickens. Something to do with chickens. Make some kind of comment. So that is going to be a giveaway, an extra April giveaway. But in this video that I'm doing on the last day of April, can you believe that already? Tomorrow's May the 1st. Wow. I did get some other goodies from her. I had opened it during the show, and I put them over here. I got these beautiful stitch markers. She did say in her card that the bunny rabbit was store-bought, but that's okay. I don't care. It's beautiful. And this one she made. So pretty, huh? And then I got some stickers. I'm trying to reach them. Ava comes in here and she sees my stickers and she wants them. Yarn balls with their hooks. Basket of yarn. And it's a good day to crochet. This is the company that she buys her fiber from. Mohair and More. Mohair and More. So if you want Krystal to spin you up something special, get with her and she'll tell you the process. You can go on their website even to see the colors, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So anyways, big shout out to Krystal. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And everybody have a beautiful last day of April. See you in another video. I got another one. Yep, got another one. Bye, y'all.